Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Jerry. Look at this little thing we got on here. It's only 24 board feet, but we're finishing up Nathan's job today. We have 3 logs to go. I have the hump up. It's not going to yield much because it's got quite a swoop to it. We're going to get going on this. Backstops are at 8. I'm looking right now. I'm just saying this mentally for myself. I'm going to double check. Yep. I don't know if you can see it in the camera. Let me pan around here a little bit. But that sky is not blue, is what I'm getting at. Here in Michigan, we're getting crushed by that Canadian forest fire. And oh my God, it stinks so bad, guys. It smells like a trash fire. Oh my God, it's bad, really bad. Quit bitching about that. We have poison ivy all over these logs. So I've been really, really careful. Haven't gotten it yet. So hopefully we won't. Ooh, I don't like the sounds of that. I do have to adjust the valve. That's why I get a lot of back pressure. Gotta get that dirt off. Smoke is burning my eyes. Blade's cutting good, very little sawdust in between them. This leaf blower my kids bought me for Father's Day in 2020. It's an Eagle leaf blower, and finally the battery gave up. I did buy 2 aftermarket batteries, and they seem to be working pretty good. The Eagle battery is about a $199 or $200 battery just for the battery itself. Next log's a little bigger diameter, but also short. I hope it fits. Spanning these 2. If not, we'll move. Stop. It's really short. I don't think it's going to. I'm going to put the other one in just so we don't lose it. $72 board feet. hit the log stop. Oh my gosh. I wasn't even looking. I was at a, However, I have the bearings, and what it looked like it did is it hit the bearing, it pushed the, it didn't even hurt the log stop. I do see poison ivy vines on this. Darn it, darn it, darn it. Ah, crap, I just laid on it too. Right there. Shoot. I'll scrub with Dawn dish soap when I'm out of here. They're all out. Log stops are out. All right. This study cut band only had 3 logs on it. It was cutting really well. How unfortunate. However, it doesn't look like it did a lot of damage to it. I did take the band off after this cut. There's a tooth out, and I'll look for it and try to reset it. But I went through all of the teeth and spun the wheels around, and I didn't see any damage to that band at all. But I'll have to find it and fix that band back up. I suspect, like I said, the tooth is out. Very costly. About $45 for one of these bands for these study cuts. I do like them. And usually, you get, even if you got 10 logs out of them, you threw them away. You're still better off than a standard band, which you get about 3 logs, sharpen it 3 times, and then throw it away. It's usually about all I get out of it, 3 sharpens. Study cuts, even with 3 sharpens, if I'm getting it, after my first sharpen, I don't get quite as many, usually like 7 or 8 logs, 24, 25 logs per band before they're gone. 3. Hit that log. Or hit that log stop. Bummer, bummer, bummer. This is log 3 on the day, and on this log, he wants 1.5" live edge slabs. So this goes pretty quick here. Damn it. Now I've destroyed, I'm really wondering what else I can destroy. I just destroyed a tripod, and it's not my tripod. Damn it. Sorry, Nick. Just got folded up into the sawmill somehow. He's got some nice live edge. He's got all these flitches here, and then he has all this lumber here. So that'll do it for today, guys. It was just a day of destruction. We hit a backstop. We toasted a band. And now we just crushed a tripod. Oh, what? It seems like something else. Oh, yeah, and the sprocket fell off twice. And I'm dealing with this haze, the smoke behind me. Don't know if it really shows up back in the trees back there, but it is really bad. So that'll do it, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe if you are so inclined, and we'll catch you out here next time in the lumberyard. Have a good day. Take care.